Yeah, that sounded probably so shit through my microphone, but yeah. We're here to record today's video. Now, just a warning. If you guys watch these streams, I will be doing a double recording. For I'm thinking, okay, so it'll be the 15th that I can't record, which means it'll be double recording on the 16th. I need to write that down so I don't forget. Yeah, double recording on the 16th. Double recording. Oh shit. Wait, that's gonna be. No, that'll be fine actually. What am I getting? That will be my first day back at school. That's the only concern. I think we should be good to go now as well. Yeah. Alright lads, it's your favourite Master 1 Geoguessr player back on the Prismalite Geoguessr Club. If you guys want to join that club, it is the top link in the description. And my only requirement is that you contribute a bit of XP and that you link your account with the Prismalite Discord bot. It's called PrismaBot, and all you need to do is type in /link-geoguessr. Yeah. Today is gonna be day 288 of the Beat the Boomer challenge? No, 289. Right? No, 288. Okay, I'm not dumb. Shoutouts go to Hanno22 and Luca. If you guys want to play these challenges, the second link in the description takes you to that. All you need to do is contribute no XP. What am I on about? Sorry. Reset this. Second link in the description, updated every single day by Stu. No, I want to redo the intro. I think we need to do a second take. We could have winged it, but you know. Alright lads, it's your favourite Master 1 Geoguessr player back on the Prismalite Geoguessr Club for another day of daily challenges and duels after that. Today is day 288 of the Beat the Boomer challenge, which means that we do have yesterday's results. Shoutout goes to Hanno and Double2 and Luca for third place. If you guys want to play in these challenges, the second link in the description is updated every single day. The top link, however, will take you to this club and the Discord that you need to join. If you want to join this club, you must join the Discord and link your account with the /link-geoguessr command. I've been working on this Discord bot for so long, and I know it works, and it works like a treat. You get a special role if you manage to link your account. I'm going to be working on making it a slightly simpler. There's like one thing that needs to be simplified, and that's what I've been sort of preparing for as of today. Now yeah, let's get into today's challenge. 1 minute no move, weird stuff shown in Google Street View. What is the weird thing for round 1? Lot of sheep and horses. Okay. Southern Hemisphere, black car. I mean, you're gonna be like Andy's about yeah, maybe real south. Oh wow, okay. Way more north than I would have thought. Black car. Double yellow center line. Some masked people. I'm assuming this is some sort of parade. Striped poles. So this is gonna be Sri Lanka then, right? No, wait, Peru with yellow plates? Okay. Massive eyeball. I have a feeling this map isn't too big, so people who have played it before have a bit of an advantage, but you know, it is what it is. Interesting. Why is the logo different in that car? Why is the logo in green? Yeah, I mean, we've basically lost this already. It's a toilet in Google Street View. Okay, well it is speaking Spanish. See, if you knew what dialect maybe they're speaking here, it might give you an advantage, but I don't know. Is there like an outlet we can get that maybe we recognize? Not as far as I can see. Yeah, I mean, what are you meant to do there? I mean, yeah. San Andreas Island. Okay, we got some Arabic, we got French as well. We got a truck, so we know what country we're gonna be, and that is Senegal. It's also quite dusty, which I believe is signature for Dakar, but we could be St. Louis. Okay. Yeah, it didn't vibe as dusty as Dakar normally is. But it wasn't even St. Louis anyway. Anyway, time for duels. We only won one game yesterday, which sucked because I said I was in a bit of a time crunch, and so if we won 2 games back to back, I would end the video early. And I won one, and then I lost one, and then I lost another just to rub it in, which was so cool. There's pressure guessing here. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's either here or like Roraima in Brazil, I think. Maybe I'll go a bit more south just in case. Yeah, okay, it was way more south than I expected. I thought it could be Roraima, but I don't know. Felt like too many trees. Maybe if I had a bit more time to think about it, I would know. But you know, whatever. We are absolutely fine. This is quite a nice spot. I'm gonna assume we're Norway here from the fact that we got quite a lot of mountainous valleys, but never fear. Idioto is here, and that is me. Awesome. Okay. Bit lost here. I mean, I guess just East North America. Yeah. I don't know, the signs didn't look right. I mean, the trees definitely landscape-wise also looked right, but you know. Hold up. I have a feeling that fan has been blowing down the mic for some time, and I have not noticed, because I just notice how nice it feels. Sometimes audio over comfort, you know, type shit. Okay. Blue plates. Call me crazy, but I have absolutely no idea where we are. This is 100% New Zealand. Wilden Settlement Road. I mean, I'm definitely in the right spot. Are we going to be able to find Wilden Settlement? Hell no. Ah, there's Wilden. Oh, I get it. Russia. So, Wilden is the settlement. Surprise, surprise. But no, I thought it was like, oh, I thought it was just like a wild settlement, and they named the road that because there was a wild settlement in that area. I'm also low-key just making up things because I'm tired, but like... okay, this looks like the dry patch here. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, I was close. 808. We love 808s. Great in hip-hop. Okay, yellow plate. Why would we have yellow front plates? Because this is Oman, right? Maybe it's Namibia and I'm wrong. No, I don't know why. It's gotten harder for me to tell them apart. It genuinely has. But why do they both have yellow plates? Okay, we need a net positive here, which would be 2 wins back to back. Otherwise, we're just going to keep dropping like we have been. And it's really not fun, because it seems to be a pattern that whenever we do well, we just immediately start dropping in rating. Down to like 900. No, because what the hell is this? Why do you know it's Alabama? What tells you it's Alabama? Has he practiced his US? Actually, probably. Yeah. I'm gonna pressure guess on this. There's really nothing you can attain from this outside of the fact, yeah, we're Iceland and we're low multi, so there's gonna be no damage traded here. Not traded. I can't trade damage. Strongest regions are like the hardest regions for most people. Like average hardest regions. And then toughest regions make literally no sense. Like, how is Ghana a hard region for you? It's literally just south or north, coastal or non-coastal. Vietnam, that's respectable. I would say that's probably the most respectable. Brazil, what? How? It's like the easiest to region guess, I feel like. And if you're practicing these countries, why haven't you practiced your Brazil? Like 1000% Bhutan, hello? Please go like Peru. Please go Peru. Please go Peru. We don't go anywhere at all, that works too. Please. Fuck off. I don't know what it actually is about that that is so recognizable as a Bhutan. Maybe it's just the mountainous road. I don't know. Nonetheless, we're looking at some newish small cam 24. If it's 24 small cam, where do we get some? Makes no sense for Russia. No sense for Germany. Makes sense for Bulgaria. I could take a Bulgaria here. I don't know if they had Bulgaria small cam this early though. The roads look so run down though. That's my only concern. I can't think of where we would actually be. Maybe if we turn the camera around, we'll know, but yeah. No, I don't see that at all. If that's right, then I mean, honestly, he deserves the win. Yeah, I was gonna say, okay, it was Bosnia? I don't know why he's done that. I don't think that road would ever have made sense for North America at all. He's a really good player as well. Okay, one more to get a net positive. Can we win against this guy twice? We will find out. It is a Senegal with the poles, or no, what am I fucking on about? It's Brazil with the poles. Why would it be Senegal? What the hell am I on about? Tired. I think I was still thinking about our Senegal location from earlier. Obvious Brazil poles, you got the ladder rungs, and you have supports on the poles, which means you're not going to be in one of these northern states. But you can still be very close to it. It's just you can't be in one of those states because they don't use supports on their poles. It's a really useful meta, and I'm really surprised it took me this long to find out about it. Okay, he goes south of me, which honestly I would prefer the south, but I guess I prefer the west. He goes southeast, actually. I mean, unless we can get a copy right here, which is looking unlikely. We got a 25. Yep, okay. Considering a lith here. Oh, yeah, no, that's respectable, actually. Why would it be small? I need to know where small cam is. I need a small cam map is really what I need. I'm actually gonna have to ask for that in my Geoguessr Discord. Well, not my Geoguessr Discord, because you guys aren't chatting in it yet. But, maybe I'll ping some people. Yeah, I'll just ping at Geoguessr. This is the ladder rungs, and we do have a support on the pole here. But it looks like so many rungs, which is really weird for Brazil, I would have thought. Then again, it looks like coffee beans, which you'd expect around this area, so I'm gonna go for it. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need to know small cam map. That's what I'll type in the chat, small cam map. Okay, we're in New Zealand here. Right. Now, where would you get this? And you could get it like north. Very weird. I feel like it's an island. Not like one of the big islands, I feel like it's a little island. Damn, man. Lose on our own country. That's fucking awesome. Yep. Net negative today, which is just absolutely lovely. Somehow we only went up 13. And then... Oh, wait, no, that makes so much sense. This guy was only 1,000 rated. Yeah. Just really not ideal today. At least we got one win, but I would prefer more. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. That has been 3 games today. All not too good, to be honest. Really hope we can get up to our peak of 1123 rating. Because we just seem to drop so quickly and so consistently as well. Hey, this is one of the guys from my club. Kind of crazy, considering there's actually way less chance for someone to be in my club. We only have half of the members slots filled at the moment, so if you guys do want to contribute any XP and earn yourself a nice silver PRSM tag, soon to be gold, you know what you need to do? Join the club and link your account. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you all in the next one. Now, as for stream, I did want to also say that I have considered what I'm going to do for the club. I'm going to make the requirements stricter. I'm going to make it so that you must, or you're going to get DM'd basically. If you're not doing well in the club, you're going to get a DM. And alongside that, you're going to get pings in the Discord, basically. Yeah, if you haven't linked your account, it's going to tell you need to link your account. If you haven't been contributing XP for a while, it's going to tell you need to contribute XP, otherwise you face getting kicked from the club. In both instances, it could kick you from the club. However, the requirement for XP is going to be way higher if you're not in the club. Well, way lower if you're not in the club. Basically, idea is I just want people to contribute XP and link their account. Main thing is link their account. If they don't do that, they're going to get kicked pretty quickly. And it's going to be automated. That's going to be the cool thing. So what I need to do is figure out how to automate it so that it just kicks you from the club. It's by itself. And then yeah, I'm gonna make a dashboard so I can manually see what's going on, how much XP each person has contributed. It's gonna store all of this stuff in a nice little database for me. And I'm gonna have a lot more control than what Geoguessr actually gives you. Yeah, because I mean, you can't even kick people from the screen unless you scroll over. See, I can kick them from the club or transfer ownership. It's just weird. It really is. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna check the database, see what's been happening. So look. Okay. I am the latest to link my account. Because I did actually refresh it. Yeah, last time I did was 10:45 PM, so 2 hours ago. Then we had Suni and LJ. Suni did his 4 days ago. 3 more like, actually. So thank you to Suni. Oh, apparently February 9th, 5 AM on the 9th. Oh. Okay, 5 AM on the 9th, so 10th. We didn't check the database yesterday. Satsuni has linked their account. Obviously GeoTrooper has. Soccer Tesla still hasn't. Buddy, you will be kicked if you do not. So we're gonna do Soccer Tesla and who else? Has Cohen? Cohen has. W Cohen. Harlow has not. I don't think. No. Okay, Harlow, Soccer Tesla, and Arnav, but I believe Arnav was telling me that yeah. Okay, we'll just do Arnav, Soccer Tesla, and Harlow. Arnav, nice. Soccer Tesla, Harlow. Check your DMs. Read description. Ten seconds. NPC 10 seconds on world. See how we can do. Mix, right? Right now? No, Texas. Ah, okay. 3-9. Yeah. So I need them to check this. But yeah, I'm gonna make it so that it automatically sends them a message. I'm gonna make it so that I can kick people from I'm just gonna run a command called /dashboard and it just shows up anything interesting I need to know. Might potentially get it to link with, I know, this is a potential idea here. Might potentially want it to have an AI summary of something. I don't know, maybe. Probably not though. I don't really want to have to use AI more than I am to learn things. But yeah, I mean, it's gonna be that I'm gonna set it up so that there's going to be a dashboard and I can check through. I can see, okay, this person has done X amount of XP average. Maybe even, you know, it'd be really cool. Potentially making a little graph. Like I can click on a user and see their XP graph. I don't know. Just something to think about. Maybe that's something I do / dashboard and then like I can type in club or I can type in a username. These are all things to think about. And the idea is I want it to automatically do a lot of the admin for me. It's going to automatically run a daily challenge. Maybe it'll do one in the club as well. But it'll auto run a challenge for my Discord server, and that'll also probably I don't know, we'll see. It might go in the description as well, if I can find a suitable way to link it there. But yeah, it's gonna be I think I'll probably keep it Discord exclusive. I want people to join. Yeah, it's going to automatically do that, and it's going to automatically manage this club. That's going to be some of the first things I do. Then it's going to get into a bit more of a gamified phase. I'm going to start making it so that you can earn points for playing Geoguessr, and it'll just track your stats as long as you have your account linked. You get points, and you can compete in challenges, stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be basically, you don't even have to interact with the bot to be participating. As long as you've got your account linked, it'll know what to do, and if you do something good, it'll tell you, hey, you've done this, and then yeah. The idea is that the bot is going to track your stats and then tell you what you've done, and you get rewarded for that, and then hopefully you're thinking, oh, well, the bot has done this for me, so maybe I should also do this to make the bot happier, you know? It's not really like as emotions, but basically the idea is that you can complete challenges, and if you complete them, it'll tell you, and then maybe you'll want to complete the other challenge, because if you do, you get a bit more XP or points, and those points will go on the leaderboard. And if you win that week, you might get some special rewards. You might get a special role. I don't know. It's exciting. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot to consider, but I think the main thing that I'm going to be focusing on is making it so that I can monetize it. Because that has been something I wanted to do, because right now all you can do is /link Geoguessr. Like it's just all you can do is link your account to the database, because that's all I have completely ready. But I have multiple functions that I'm building, and they're gonna work really well, I think. And the idea is I just want to get more people using it, and as I build more functions, more people will want to use it, and hopefully if I build it in the right order, the time between functions should go down if I've optimized it right. Because currently, if I go into my coding, the great thing is that I have basically I've completely replicated the bot for my computer so that I can just code it on my computer rather than on the bot's computer. The idea is that it will effectively, it'll just run as a background. It'll run in the background at all times on my computer, and that's what it has been doing. You can link your account at any time, and I've made it really easy to do that. But it will also take on new code by me literally just copy and pasting it. What I can do is, with my replica version of the code, I can just Control-A, Control-C, Control-V. Once I've got the developer version of the bot to a point where I'm happy with it, I can just copy and paste it all into the released version, and it all works. It's great. I'm gonna make sure that it is up to date. Yeah, and I mean, just like that, it's already back. Is it? Let's test it. Okay. Should be. Nice. And then I can just verify. Yeah. So what I do have to do is I have to also make it so that the bot will auto-confirm if you've linked your account. But yeah, currently I haven't done that. The idea is that it does detect your account, and normally it doesn't yeah, okay. Yeah, so normally it doesn't auto-confirm if you want to link your account. At the moment, the idea going forward is that whenever I have someone use the account, use the link account thing, I want it to make sure that they do get their account linked, because I had a problem, I think, with a couple people where when they ran the command, they didn't realize that it would ask you if you wanted to link that account. Because basically, anyone could play your challenge. If you shared your challenge link with them, you could link someone else's account with your Discord. I mean, obviously, it's really easy to update, because if you just relink your account, it changes. They all floats, welcome to the stream. Yeah, like, obviously, if you relink your account with my Discord bot, it will fix itself, but you could theoretically have someone else link it. And so that's why I made it ask you, do you want to link this account and provide the name? Or do you want it to not? But yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to make it so that it automatically confirms if you don't go back to the tab, because some people just see, okay, click this, click start game and you're verified, you're done. Which isn't technically true. But yeah, I think I'm going to make it so that you can have it auto-confirm, just in case you don't realize that you need to go back and say, yes, I do want the bot to link the account. Yeah, I mean, I'm just really excited. I really think that we could do something crazy good here with our bot. I'm just excited to see how it goes, and I'm pretty glad that I did end up doing what I did today. The main thing I did, as I said earlier, is I made it so it's easier to copy and paste new functions into the released version of the bot. I've made it so that basically the testing version of my bot has everything the exact same plus a little bit extra. So if I was to copy and paste my stuff from the testing version over into the normal version, there would be no problems, because there's only two files that you can't copy and paste over, and those ones shouldn't really be changed too much or need to be copy and pasted over. The stuff that does need to be copy and pasted over will be able to be. And that's because I've made the names the exact same, I've made the code the exact same, so nothing changes. It just means I can work on it in a testing version of the bot, and then when it's ready to be shipped out to everybody, I can just go, right, copy, paste into the right version, into the release version, and then people can use that command immediately. Yeah, I mean, there's a few functions I do want to get around to doing, but it is 1 o'clock in the morning for me, so I'm thinking might be a thing for another day, although I never get around to doing it. Kinda sucks, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. That will be the end of the stream. If you guys do want to link your account with my bot, feel free to join the Discord. I would love it if you did, because that means that I get some more people ready to go for when I am testing my features. Yeah, thank you to everyone except Harlow, Arnav, and Suni for linking your account with the bot. Yeah, I mean, these guys have all linked their account, which is great. Where's the link? Okay, so you also asked, what are you talking about? Functions? Yeah. So basically, what I've done is I have made a Discord bot. The idea behind it is that you can basically use my bot and interact with it like it's a game. When you play games that I've made it work with, so at the moment that's just going to be Geoguessr, but in the future I might add games like Fortnite or things that have open hold up, I'll just respond to your message, not yet. Explaining to you. But yeah, the idea is that when you play these games that I have linked the bot to, it will reward you with points. You can complete quests and stuff like that, and it will let you it'll let you get rewards basically. So the idea currently in my head is that you get points for completing challenges. If you there's like a weekly points contest. Whoever gets the highest points gets some of the special currency, so like gems or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And then yeah, when you get those gems, you can use it on special things. Like it might be a role in the Discord server. You might be able to get, I don't know, might do giveaways. So you might be able to get an entry into the giveaway for every time you spend X amount of gems. It'll probably be called like, I don't know, money or something. I don't know. We'll find out. It'll be a premium currency of some sort. Prismas maybe. But yeah, the idea is when you spend the premium currency, you can get actual rewards for it, and you win those premium currencies from completing or finishing the week and coming like high up on the leaderboard on the week. And you can also spend premium currency, reinvest it for multipliers to earn more points. But yeah, the bot's not just gonna be a game like that. It's also going to have a lot of functions that I need for the Discord server. It's going to be able to host daily challenges like these ones, because currently the guy who runs these, he posts them manually. He does everything manually, updates the leaderboards manually. I'm going to have it just tap into the servers and just say, yeah, okay, so this guy has come first, this guy's come second, because I can do all of that. I can code it, and I will be doing that. Make it a lot easier. I'm going to make it so that it can send messages in the club for me. Basically just take all the effort off of my end, and it will also be able to manage this club. It's going to be able to do a lot of things. And it's also going to be able to probably post, oh, TurboNZ has uploaded this video now. That's another thing I'm going to make it do. Like, I'm going to make it replace a lot of the Discord bots in my server. Because yeah, we've got 9 different bots. One of them is my one, and I want my one to basically just get rid of a whole bunch of the other ones, and make it so that the functions we need are working for me. Yeah, I mean, it's really ideal for me, I think. And and it's a good project for me to learn extra coding skills with. It takes a bit of motivation to get around to it. Announcements. It's probably gonna do, you know how you can get upload notifications in Discord servers? Like it'll tell you, yeah, a YouTuber has uploaded a new video. I'm gonna make it so that it can check for that, rather than having a extra bot in the server to do that. Yeah, so it'll do that instead. And yeah, there's just a few bots that I also think I can replace. But yeah, I mean, I'm just mainly excited about the prospect of having a new, wait, do I have a channel? Can I not subscribe because I don't have a channel? Oh, I can subscribe. Cool. But yeah, I'm just excited about the prospect of making my bot work. Where's the Discord link? Because the link tree isn't working. Ah, shit. I haven't updated the description, have I? Sorry about that, man. Yeah, so it should be no dash in the link. I'll actually make sure that the... Okay, right, good. Nice song choice, thank you very much, man. Yeah, this used to be a Spotify playlist. I moved it over to YouTube Music because I have YouTube Premium now. And as well, I just didn't like the fact that people were constantly seeing me listen to Sonic music when they check my Spotify profile. Yeah. Okay. Done. Nice. Okay. So it has been updated. The link is working properly now. Yeah, I got rid of the dash in my link tree just because I thought pretty pointless. I mean, thing is, on the YouTube it does have a dash, but on the Twitch, ideally it won't. Yeah, I got an underscore at the moment. I mean, yeah, I got an underscore. Damn, there's not much delay at all, is there? Yeah, there's the Discord. You can click there, and I've actually cooked with this new Geoguessr link tree. I also do have a standard one for my main stuff. This one's not as good, I don't think, but you know. I do have a lot more accounts, so it's a bit more cluttered. Works, thank you so much. No problem, man. It's my duty to make sure it does work, so I'm sorry that I forgot to change that. Yeah. I mean, just stay tuned because I won't promise anything. Like, people are like asking, when's the next function gonna come out for it? But I mean, it's really like just whenever I'm motivated to do it, and a lot of the time I'm busy and then I get distracted by games, or I'm like, right, it's too late in the day to start this, let's just start playing games. But before that it's too early, so I'm just gonna watch some videos to pass the time, so, you know, just don't have the motivation a lot of the time. But yeah, I really want to get around to working on some new functions. I've got a lot of them halfway there. I think it's going to be great when I actually get the first few running. I'm thinking the first thing I'm going to be able to get going is... I wake at 1 AM. Is that late or early? It is in fact very late for me, I would say. But yeah, I mean, one of the things I do want to get going is this thing. Basically, if you type /challenge results and then paste in a URL, it's going to show you the results for that challenge. I'm going to make it probably so it gives you points in the long run, but it's just probably been the biggest project of mine because it's got a lot of moving parts to it, surprisingly. It was also the first, yeah, it was actually the first command that I set up. The second one was the one I actually released. I know people who wake up at like 2 and start working since then. Yeah, I am not a morning person at all. I'm very much so a night person. Yeah, second command is the one that I've sent out to everyone and they can all use. It's been out. Actually, how long has the main command been out? Okay, we're gonna get rid of this because that was a lie. Yeah, 20th of November. Since then, you've been able to link your account, but to be fair, I haven't really changed anything. And I started development on the bot 4 months ago. October 17th. So if it was like, oh, so October, November. It took me 1 month to do the first command, and now over 4 months ago, but now it's been over 4 months, sorry, since, I first started work. Def interesting? Yeah. Sorry man, I've been yapping about this, but it's a project that I'm really excited about, and there's a lot of stuff to do. I think that, I mean, I guess that overwhelms me, but it also excites me so much. I really want to get to work on it. But yeah, I mean, it's been in development on and off for 4 months. Probably most of it happened in the first 2 months, and I'm going to start picking it up again now. I'm taking a very sort of hobby-ish approach to the way I'm developing it, and I'm making sure that I document everything so I can go back and re-jog my memory at all times, you know? Yeah, it's just a cool project, and I'm excited. Real dedication? Not really. I mean, the thing is I just get distracted, and that's why it's taken so long, and I've only still got 1 command out. But, I mean, I'm learning a lot of things about the way I like to code. And, I mean, today, all I did was I resorted where each line of code is, and updated a couple functions so that they made a bit more sense. I love doing that. I love streamlining things and making things easier for me. It doesn't really achieve much, but it just makes me feel like, oh, I'm gonna get around to doing this more, when in reality it's just whether I'm motivated or not. Sure, it'll speed up after the first command. Yeah, exactly. Once I push out the next command, I feel like I'm gonna be on a bit of a roll. I've only got the linking one at the moment, so you know, it's just cool to see. Right, well, now I know how this one's gonna go. Coded a Discord bot once, it scraped stuff from Reddit and took me like a month. Damn. Yeah, no, I don't like JSON as well. That's one of the things you have to learn for Geoguessr is they use JSONs on the back of the API. Obviously, they do, but like it just, I don't like it because it's not something I'm familiar with. So I have to rely a bit on, oh, what documentation is there about this, and I have to learn that. But yeah, I mean, there's a nice bit of support for coding bots in Geoguessr stuff, and it integrates perfectly with Discord. So I mean, it's been really simple for me so far. I've also set up a database. It's just proving to be pretty smooth sailing. I'm learning a lot and I'm coding a lot. It's just I want there to be more results that people can see. Anyway, I need to end stream now. I think that's enough yapping about it. That was like 20 minutes worth. Yeah, see you in the next one.